This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Charlotte Hitchens. Balboa Lakefront home, spectacular panoramic view, seawall, approximately 3,314 hours/c living space, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 2 bedrooms are on the main living area, formal dining, breakfast area, large laundry room with office area, sunroom with fabulous view. Great room, gas fireplace, screen porch, covered deck, lower patio, 2 bedrooms on lower level, family room, full bath, storage, wet bar, maintenance-free exterior with mostly brick and some vinyl, intercom system, central vac. Quality construction. For more information, review the details below or contact Charlotte Hitchens at 50